Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name's Ed Miles and today we're going to be talking about the new 2018 Ladies Legend jean. Now, the men's Legend jean has been our best seller over the last 12 months, so we've launched a ladies version with a few subtle changes and obviously a few changes in terms of fit. So you've got fully ladies fit product, it's an Italian made product in our own factory in Italy. The denim's coming from a Spanish mill, it's 12.5 ounces of nice high quality Spanish denim. In terms of protection, which is why you're buying this jean, it's using a TranAm material from Holland. We're getting the material from Japan, but the company's based in Holland, so it is a fully European-made product. If you come down to the actual protectors in terms of the knee area, we're using Knox, a British product, so it's a nice British product built into these as well, so you know you're supporting your own country. In terms of protection, you're backing away from the TranAm with a wickable material, so the TranAm's never on your skin, so that abrasion-resistant material never transfers heat to the skin, keeping you cooler in the event of a slide. Talking about slides, we're doing 8-second slide time, so it's a really high-end product in terms of its slide time. You're not getting a 2 or a 4, you're getting an 8-second slide. In terms of fit of these, you're getting a nice ladies fit. It's fully stretch material as well, so it's going to stretch around those areas you need it, fit you nice and close to the skin, look really stylish. Let's talk you through a few of the style features on this product. It's a blue stone-washed area down the front. As you can see, it's fully distressed down the front. If I spin it around to the black, it's a classic 2-pocket jean. Back round to the front, you've got a button closure at the top and then a zip closure still at the fly area. So it's that classic blue denim, stretch fit for ladies, Italian made product, really high quality. You really must get into the store, try these on, you'll find the fit is absolutely leagues ahead of any other jean on the market. For any more information, please go to tranam.co.uk or check out our Facebook site, Bikerheadz.